Simon Cowell carpeted David Walliams for making a willy gag during filming for Britain's Got Talent. Camp comic Walliams started misbehaving when handsome cop Tim Jones came on stage in uniform. The 50-year-old first joked, "Arrest me now." Then as singer Tim, 48, from Gloucester, talked about showcasing his talent, Walliams asked, "Is it getting your see out?" Cowell, 62, thundered, "Apologize now," only for cheeky Walliams to repeat it, adding, "Do you swing it around?" The music mogul, already smarting after David had mocked his age and weight, blasted, get out," adding, "This is supposed to be a family show." Addressing the ITV show's stunned audience, Cowell also sat with judges Amanda Holden, 50, and Alicia Dixon, 43, added, "When we have a break we'll make him sit on his own for 10 minutes. One audience member said, "It was clear that David was sailing close to the wind with his jibes. Then he went too far. Simon was visibly angry with him and exploded." Cowell's latest high TV show Walk the Line is poised to be axed after just one series. The music contest's much-hyped launch episode had only 3 million viewers last month. A tally source said, "It just didn't take off." An ITV spokeswoman said, "No decisions have been made.